And it's just so scary to see that. Let's bring in Josh Cozart once again. It's for a couple days now, at least, right? You've been watching those conditions, and I mean, gosh, that is just scary to look at.
Very scary. Use extreme caution if you are heading out to any of our coastal beaches here in the coming days, because the high waves are still expected, especially in southern sections of the Beaver State. That's where the National Weather Service is keeping that high surf warning in effect all the way through Saturday. We're talking about wave heights of about 20 to 25 feet. And large breaking waves can also help produce sneaker waves. Those are the waves that sneak up on you. So those yellows, that's where we could potentially see some of our wave heights near almost 30 feet. This is a snapshot of this evening as we expect to see another round of high waves work their way along the western coast of the entirety of the United States, including Western Oregon and Washington, by the time we get into Saturday. And that's still going to take us into Sunday as well, as we got another little batch starting to form in the Gulf of Alaska and could potentially work its way into our area for the start of next week as well. Another view just yesterday, picking up on some of that sneaker wave activity. Use extreme caution. Observe the waves, please, but do so with a safe distance and keep back, because it can quickly run ashore and it has no real pattern to it, even if you think you may have gotten it down. As far as the interior of Oregon looks, out towards the Forest Grove area with our Explorers Walton Valley camera, that's where our temperatures are currently sitting at about 52 degrees. Seeing just a few light rain showers work their way through the area right now, with the winds out of the east-southeast at about 13 miles per hour. Your showers past forecast. I've gone ahead and given us those yellow bikes to go, as a hit and miss shower is a very real potential for the rest of this evening as we start to slide back into the upper 40s. After our daytime highs managed to climb up into the mid 50s for the Willamette Valley, that's almost 10 degrees warmer than the 46-degree temperature we should typically see. But the month of December typically should be hovering around 46, and that means we've seen 25 days above what we typically should see for the final month of the year. And that means that 2023 is so far going to go into the history books as the second warmest, just behind 1950's 46.4 degrees. We could potentially rival that here in the next day or two, as another round of warm weather is expected this weekend, helping to shrink our base levels out towards many of our ski resorts, with very little in the form of snowfall over the past 24 hours. As we see this next batch of moisture, those yellows and oranges, a good indication of the heaviest of the downpours tracking their way from the south to the north as we move our way through the rest of this evening. And now just starting to pick up on some of those first few raindrops this evening for the downtown Portland area. All thanks to the jet stream sitting overhead. It's the gatekeeper between the cold air to the north, the mild air down towards the south, and eventually we'll see another surge of the dry and warmer conditions as we work our way into 2024. But as far as the timeline goes with our future cast, holding on to that rain potential for the majority of the overnight hours tonight. We'll slowly start to dry things out tomorrow, with our snow elevation levels remaining well above what is typical for the end of December, beginning of January, before we dry out our skies. Maybe see some patchy fog for the start of the day on Saturday and again on Sunday. But as far as our rain accumulation goes, nearing about a quarter to a half inch of rain. I think some of these numbers are slightly on the higher end of things, but nonetheless, the rain potential remains tonight as we fall to about 45 degrees. 54 for that high tomorrow is a hit, miss showers a possibility. 7-day forecast. We're ending and starting the 2023-2024 time frame with dry, sunny skies and temperatures well above the average. But then we hold on to those upper 40s into the first full week of the new year, with maybe a hit and miss shower possible, but overall a very mild week ahead for us.
All right, a mild start to the new year, nothing outrageous. We're good with that.
We are.
Thanks, Josh.